A typing test every day until we get to 130. I did worse than yesterday, but I think it's because I'm tired, but come back tomorrow.